Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, I'm so excited to show you how to make a delicious chili con carne that's packed with amazing flavor, and it's so easy because after less than 15 minutes of prep, it's into the slow cooker for 7 to 8 hours of cooking low and slow, which transforms this roast into hearty chunks that melt in your mouth, and all the flavors meld together into an incredibly flavorful chili that'll help you take home that blue ribbon at the next chili cook-off. We believe sharing homemade food with the ones we love spreads joy and touches lives, and we'll show you how to make delicious and easy dishes that you can proudly share with your friends and family. Okay, let me show you how to make this incredible slow cooker chili con carne. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. This chili con carne recipe is loaded with tender beef in a rich, spicy stew with peppers, onion, and a flavorful seasoning mix. We're using a hearty beef roast and adding a wet spice rub, cooking it low and slow in the slow cooker for a delicious chili con carne recipe that's destined to become a family favorite. A squeeze of lemon brightens the dish, and you can dial up the spiciness by increasing the amount of jalapenos and serrano peppers. We like to serve this over corn chips for a delicious, easy Texas Frito Pie. Trim up a 2.5 to 3 pound rump roast. You can also use a chuck roast if you can't find a rump roast. Score the top and bottom of the roast with about a 1/2 inch deep cuts in a crosshatch pattern. And liberally season it with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, sear both sides of the roast until it's nicely browned. Then remove it from heat and set it aside to cool while we make the spice rub. Mix 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Add the zest of 1 lemon and its juice. And thank you so much for watching our videos. Your support means so much to us. We have new videos posted every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. And then mix everything together into a paste. This smells so amazing. Then rub the paste into the seared roast, getting it down into all the cuts and grooves on all the sides. Then add the roast to the bottom of the slow cooker. Next, peel and roughly chop 1 medium onion and add it to the slow cooker. If you tried this recipe out, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you guys. Then seed and chop 1 red and 1 yellow pepper and add it to the slow cooker. I'm adding 1 jalapeno sliced and a 1/2 of a serrano pepper diced. You can add more or less based on how spicy you like your chili. Once you've added all of the peppers to the slow cooker, add 1 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes. Add the juice, and then I like to squeeze the tomatoes, giving them a crush and still keeping some chunks. Then roughly chop about a half cup of the cilantro and add it to the slow cooker. Measure 1 cup of beef broth and add it to the slow cooker. Look how incredible this looks. This will cook for 7 to 8 hours on low, and it will be the most tender, delicious chili con carne you've ever tasted. And here it is. It's rich and hearty. Use tongs or forks to break that roast into thick chunks of beef. It's got great color from the searing, nice big pieces of pepper and tomatoes. Then just top with more fresh cilantro and serve. Today we're having Frito pies and serving the chili con carne over corn chips. Then topping with our favorites: cheese, sour cream, a little more cilantro. Yum, this is so delicious. I can't wait for you to try this one. And for more super easy and delicious dishes, check out this playlist for my easy dinner recipes. And here's another video I think you'll like. Alright, I'll see you over there.